Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now, we've been learning how to use all the different types of search syntaxes on the EGW Writings 2 app. And today we're going to take a look at the specific one of ordered searching. And to demonstrate that, let me show you what ordered searching is all about. On the app in front of me, when I tap the little tiny search magnifying glass, I want to look for God, loved, and world in that order. And to do that, there's a certain little syntax that we need to do. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to type God, and then I'm going to put a space, and this time I need to put the two less than symbols, and then I type loved, and then again two less than symbols, and then I type world. All right, so we have God, less than, loved, less than, world. And make sure there's a space each side of those less than symbols. And then I'm going to search. So you can see here, if I open up result 6, we should have God, loved, and world. Now, the search engine that we have going is the best that we can do with what the one Apple provides us with SQLite. So sometimes you will see in some of the results where I see God, love, world there, but then I've got an extra word like God in. And other times you may see like, world, God, loved. So it's going to be a little hit or miss, but it's the best that we're able to do on the iPhone. So sometimes you'll see it pretty much in that order like we did in result 6 and result 7, but other times you may see it thrown in like this. So the limitations that we have within the SQLite database is what you're seeing happen in front of me. Don't worry, you're just going to have to live with it. In the new web app that we're developing, where we have no limitations, it works perfectly every time. But on the iPhone, EGW Writings 2 app, you'll see that ordered search has some relevance and works most of the time, but not always, so long as you understand that. Well, thanks for joining us today on learning how to use ordered search and its foibles within the EGW Writings 2 app. Have a nice day.